Raising rabbits can be a rewarding experience, whether you keep them as pets or for small-scale farming. But one of the biggest challenges many rabbit owners face is feeding their animals with food that is not only nutritious, but also affordable. Store-bought rabbit feed can be expensive and sometimes contains unnecessary additives. The good news? You can make high-quality, healthy rabbit feed right at home using simple ingredients that won't break the bank. In this guide, you'll learn how to prepare low-cost, nutritious rabbit feed with tips and insights for ensuring your rabbits thrive. Let's start by understanding what rabbits need to stay healthy. Rabbits are herbivores, which means their diet is plant-based. Their digestive system is built for high-fiber foods, which keeps their gut moving and helps prevent health problems. A good rabbit feed should mimic their natural diet, high in fiber, moderate in protein, and low in fat and sugar. The foundation of any good rabbit diet is hay. Hay provides essential fiber and keeps their teeth worn down, since rabbit teeth grow continuously. If you're looking to save money, consider growing your own grass or harvesting local grasses, weeds, and leaves that are safe for rabbits. Timothy grass, orchard grass, and meadow hay are excellent choices. Make sure any plant you collect is free from pesticides, harsh fertilizers, or industrial pollutants. But hay alone isn't enough. Rabbits also need a balance of protein, vitamins, and minerals. This is where homemade rabbit feed pellets come in. With a few simple ingredients, you can create a balanced mix that meets their nutritional needs. To make your own rabbit pellets, you'll need a base of ground hay or dried grass, which provides fiber, protein sources such as alfalfa, soybean meal, or even sunflower seeds in small quantities, carbohydrate sources like rolled oats, barley, or wheat bran, minerals and vitamins from dried herbs like parsley, dandelion leaves, and comfrey, or from vegetable scraps and peelings, calcium from crushed eggshells or a mineral supplement, water to moisten the mixture before shaping it into pellets. Begin by gathering your dry ingredients. For every 4 parts grass or hay, add 1 part protein source and 1 part carbohydrates. Mix these thoroughly in a large bowl or bucket. Gradually add finely chopped herbs and dried vegetable scraps, making sure you don't overwhelm the mix. Rabbits thrive on moderation, and too much of any single ingredient can be harmful. Next, blend in your mineral source. If you're using eggshells, bake them first to kill any bacteria, then crush them into a fine powder. Sprinkle a small amount into your feed mix, just 1 teaspoon for every kilogram of feed. Add water slowly, stirring until the feed is just damp enough that it sticks together when pressed, but not so wet that it turns mushy. If you have a pellet press or pasta maker, you can shape the feed into pellets. Otherwise, form small balls or patties by hand and let them dry completely before storage. Drying them in the sun or a warm, ventilated area prevents mold and helps the feed last longer. Besides pellets, supplement your rabbit's diet with fresh greens daily. Safe options include carrot tops, kale, spinach in moderation, clover, and fresh grass. Avoid feeding iceberg lettuce, which has little nutritional value, and steer clear of plants that can be toxic to rabbits, such as potato leaves, rhubarb, or anything that produces milky sap. Water is just as important as feed. A consistent supply of clean, fresh water is critical to maintain your rabbit's health. Clean water bowls or bottles every day to prevent bacterial buildup. How much should you feed your rabbits? As a rule of thumb, the bulk of their diet, around 70%, should be hay or grass. Homemade pellets and fresh greens can make up the remaining portion. Adjust quantities based on your rabbit's size, age, and activity level. Young, growing rabbits and nursing does need more protein and energy, while mature rabbits thrive on high fiber and moderate protein. If you have kitchen scraps, many can be safely shared with your rabbits. Beet tops, broccoli leaves, and herb trimmings are all great, but avoid fruit peels and sweet foods, as the high sugar content can upset their stomachs. Always introduce new foods slowly. Give a small amount at first and watch for any signs of digestive distress, like loose droppings or lack of appetite. Cost saving doesn't mean compromising on quality. By using ingredients you might already have at home or can forage from your garden, you're giving your rabbits a varied diet tailored to their needs. What's more, making your own feed puts you in control of what your rabbits eat, so you can avoid the hidden sugars and fillers sometimes found in commercial mixes. To sum up, making low-cost and nutritious rabbit feed at home is simple. Start with plenty of fiber from hay and local grasses. Add safe, plant-based protein and modest carbohydrates. Balance with herbs and minerals, and supplement with fresh greens. Always have fresh water available and avoid harmful foods. With these steps, you'll keep your rabbit colony healthy, happy, and well-fed without spending a fortune. Homemade rabbit feed is not only better for your wallet, it's also a step towards sustainable and mindful animal care. Take time to observe your rabbits as they enjoy their new diet. Energetic hopping, bright eyes, soft fur, and steady growth are all signs that you're on the right track. If ever in doubt about certain plants or nutrition, don't hesitate to reach out to a local veterinarian or experienced rabbit keeper for guidance. With a little effort, creativity, and attention to detail, you'll find feeding your rabbits a natural, cost-effective diet is easier than you might think. Not only will you see the benefits in your rabbit's health, but you'll also gain satisfaction from knowing you're providing the best possible care for your furry friends, all while saving money, reducing waste, and contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Happy rabbit keeping!